Right guys, we've got a Ferrari F430 here. Now this vehicle was suffering from some audio issues. What we've actually done is an upgrade. Diagnosed the fault on the system and the amplifier was at fault. So what we've actually done is upgraded the amplifier and added in a really quite nice and neat Hertz Power Sports amplifier. The trick with this was obviously to keep things looking factory, get a better sound and basically cure the fault problems. So I'll show you some of the other bits that we've done now, talk you through what we've done. Also, one other thing that we did on this, the customer was, it has the Becker Ferrari system in there, and the customer wanted the facility to Bluetooth stream to it, so we've actually added a little device in here which also gives him that facility. So it had Bluetooth for calls but no Bluetooth streaming. We've actually done that for him as well. Right guys, so here we've got the offending faulty amplifier. This is an ASK Ferrari part, and basically the customer was not getting any sound, or getting very limited sound with crackles and whatnot. So this is the pod that the Ferrari amplifier normally sits in, and as you can see, we've mounted our Power Sports Hertz amplifier into there really well, and we've also put new connectors on it and whatnot, so it fits in lovely. I'll go to the car now, show you where it's going to go, and show you once it's done. Right then, so here we've got the Hertz amplifier. It's a Power Sports amp, and obviously as you can see, this Ferrari F430 does need a bit of love. So what we've done is we've replaced this. So I'm just going to fit it now and show you when it's done. Right guys, so we've now done the job, and as you can see, this amplifier fits lovely in there. It doesn't look wrong. Obviously it fits in the factory pod. That's the Ferrari stereo that I was mentioning earlier on, and I'll just show you that's the streaming device that we've added to it for the music streaming. So for further information on doing repairs on your vehicle, give the guys at Source Sounds a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.